Hello, and welcome to the HW Group SensDesk video tutorial part 4. My name is Christopher, and I'll be guiding you through creating device groups. Today, I will show you how you can create device groups. These can be very useful in situations where you would like to quickly view devices arranged by type. For example, the Poseidon family, or STE, etc., etc. And when you want to arrange more than one group for a device. For example, a Poseidon device and then a specific model, because the big difference between locations and groups is that only one device can be assigned to a location, whereas with groups, one device can be assigned to several groups. With device groups, because there are no sublocations, it automatically assigns the sensors to the group at the same time as the device, saving you time. So, let's get started. Click on Device Groups. Here we can see our groups and the Create New Group button. Click the button, and first is the name of the groups. We will use the name STE. Team is set automatically, so we don't need to change that. We will add the devices to our group here. Here we have all our devices which we have connected to the portal, so we will choose this device here. Now we have one selected item. At the moment, we have one device in our group. We're now ready to save, and they will be assigned to our new group. If we go through this process again, then the remaining devices would still include the one we just assigned. Magic, isn't it? In this case, the process would appear exactly the same. Okay, so click Save. We can now see the devices which we chose. Click the Device Group button again here at the top. Here we have the information you should be familiar with by now. The name of the device group, the number of sensors, and the state of the sensors. If we need to change something in group, for example, change devices, click the name of the group. You can view your devices, you can edit your group, and in the case we no longer need this group, we can delete it just like before. Okay, so click on the device here. Here we have the groups. We only have one here. Now, if we click on the sensor here again, we can see the groups that this sensor is a part of, which is the same, just one group. So that's it. I hope this was helpful, and see you in the next video.